314.
Exactly. Show you.
Так, от зробити.
So this is our deluxe room, our superior room
Superior.
with city view. So this is our lowest room category. So you will see with the decoration and everything with city view, it's always going to be more yellow. And on the lake view with your room, for instance, it will be blue.
So yellow city.
Exactly.
So you use beautiful steel mountain.
Exactly. We're quite lucky with this.
Famous Swiss mountain. So you have aqua di Parma for any room.
Absolutely.
Aqua
We
di
have the same amenities and we have kept the same decoration style for all rooms. Some have some particularities, of course. In each room, it depends on the configuration of the room and the layout, but it's mainly the same decoration everywhere.
But you have different aqua di Parma. Different.
They are a little bit
No.
bigger in suites. Absolutely. Allow me just to... I'll let you record everything.
So you have today a lot of arrival.
Yes, the hotel is fully booked.
But you have many time fully booked.
It's the high season now, so we have many more requests coming.
You mean high season where people have sun
Exactly.
and winter low season.
Winter is a little bit more quiet because you also have the Montreal Jazz Festival, which is gonna start soon.
Так, Nespresso.